We are in Mexico basically working for the National Commission for Biodiversity. So we are especially interested what importance does land cover information have on biodiversity aspects. And we see a bunch of important topics there. Just to name a few of them, for example, land cover is essential information for potential species distribution modeling, but also for desertification monitoring. We are interested in the quantification of distribution of vector-borne diseases, for example, where land cover information plays an essential role. And finally, for example, if we think about ecosystem monitoring, land cover change is an important driver as well, and we need to provide information in the best case on a yearly basis to support these type of studies. I think it's important to have a continental product on North America, because only if you look from the Mexican perspective, for example, we usually get our mapping data every 5 to 10 years from the national institutions which are in charge of that. So for a lot of environmental aspects we see that this is simply not sufficient, and our main project goal is basically to provide data on a yearly basis and therefore provide time series over long periods of time which help us to describe a lot of environmental aspects. So we see that this is going to enrich enormously the data availability on environmental aspects in the future. I think it's important to track land cover changes across North America, because many of the aspects what we see, environmental issues, don't simply stop on the border. We see aspects such as fire damages, vector-borne diseases, desertification processes, which simply don't stop naturally on the border. So it's more than reasonable to monitor and quantify these aspects also cross-borderly and not only on a national basis.